Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a Microsoft account, phone for MFA, and a secondary email for recovery. Once ready, navigate to the Microsoft 365 Developer Program sign-up page and click Join. You'll be prompted to sign in with your MSA or work account. Make sure to allow browser pop-ups if the sign-in redirects. After authentication, step through the basic profile prompts, name, country, and agreement, so the program can provision a sandbox tenant tied to your account. Once enrolled, the portal provisions your Microsoft 365 E5 sandbox. This can take a few minutes. You'll create an admin username and strong password, write them down securely, and enable MFA immediately. Make sure to set the tenant region and developer preferences so sample data and services match your testing needs. Next, grant consent for required graph and API permissions when prompted. This avoids interruptions when you register apps. If provisioning fails, retry after clearing cookies or using an incognito window. To finish, sign into Admin, Microsoft. Com with the admin account and confirm you can manage users and services. Register an Azure AD app for API testing or open Graph Explorer to validate tokens and scopes. This confirms end-to-end access. Import sample data or provision demo users to mirror real scenarios. Make sure to set reminders to renew or extend the sandbox before the 90-day expiration. Troubleshooting tip: if you can't sign in, clear cached credentials, reset the admin password from the portal, and re-enable MFA to restore access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.